Hi students, today we will discuss the principle of superposition of waves. In this topic, the principle of superposition. So superposition of a word is nothing but the waves are overlapping with same angular frequency and wavelength and identical wave speeds. So here the definition is when two or more pulses is nothing but it a wave, two or more pulses of equal and opposite shapes moves towards each other. When the pulses overlap, the resultant displacement is the algebraic sum of the displacement due to each pulse. This is known as the principle of superposition of waves. Okay, two or more pulses of equal and opposite shapes. Okay, here the for example, so we consider a transverse wave. So this is a transverse wave. So it is an x axis. It is y axis. Okay, we consider, so it is a transverse wave. A transverse wave is moves along x direction, this direction. Okay, so here another wave is like here, another wave is like here. Okay, so both are moving towards x direction. So then, so these are super overlaps to each other, these pulses. So here crest and crest, and here trough and trough, here crest and crest, and trough and trough. These are overlapping to each other. So when overlap to each other, the resultant displacement, okay, the resultant displacement is the algebraic sum of displacement due to each pulse. This is known as the principle of superposition. So resultant wave is nothing but after superposition of wave. Okay, here, so when it is this superposition of two waves, superposition of this first wave and second wave overlapping to each other, then the displacement will be increased. So like the amplitude will be increased. Okay, such type of overlapping is called the principle of superposition of waves. When two or more, only we are taken here two waves, another one also we have taken like this. So when two pulses are overlap to each other, the resultant displacement, so this is the displacement. Okay, here first particle and second particle, third particle, fourth part, like this. The particles are displaced, so up and downs. So then it consists of the crest and trough, crest and trough, like crest, here also trough. So the crest and troughs are, it is consist crest and crest. So it is consist of the displacement. For example, it is y1, so it is y2. So it is y1 and y2 opposite direction. So it is amplitude displacement. So here y is a total displacement. Okay, total displacement after the overlapping. So then we consider y of x comma t equals to y of, so here y1 of x comma t plus y2 of x comma t. Okay, so y of x comma t equals to y1 plus y1 x comma t plus y2 x comma t. So we have taken another pulse is taken. So what is here? Y of x comma t equals to, so y1 of x comma t plus y2 x comma t plus y3 x comma t plus so on. So n pulses are taken, n waves are taken here. So yn x comma t. So the algebraic sum of each pulses, okay, two or more pulses is equals to total displacement of the wave. So y of x comma t equals to y1 x comma t plus y2 x comma t y3 x comma t plus 1 yn x comma t. Number of n is number of pulses. So here, so this principle is also is a interference of wave. Okay, interference of waves. So here this term is we learned in light. Okay, in next third lesson, third chapter, we will learn so this interference of waves. So interference is nothing but the waves are overlapping to each other. Such type of waves are called the interference of waves. So now we consider, so here now we consider two harmonic traveling waves on a stretched string, So now both are traveling in positive x direction. Okay, so these harmonic traveling waves is traveling, both are traveling in positive x direction. So both are traveling in positive x direction. Okay, so positive x direction is nothing but, so it is, so like here, so here it is x direction, so it is y direction. So first wave is moves like here, like, and second wave is moves like here. Second wave is moves like, so first wave, so it is y1, second wave is y2. So here it is consist different phase angles. So first we consider y1 equals to, or y1 x comma t equals to, so as usual a sin kx minus omega t, kx minus omega t, it is equation number 1. Okay, y1 of x comma t, first one, y1 of x comma t equals to a sin kx minus omega t. So now second one, it is different phase angle. Okay, the phase angle the phase angle, it is consist of initial phase pi, so it is like taken a sine kx minus omega t plus pi. So phi is a phase angle. Okay, it is equation number 2. So these are moves along x direction. Then after overlapping, okay, after overlapping, what happens? The amplitude will be increased or amplitude will be completely zero. So after overlapping superposition of waves, so then total displacement, so y of x comma t equals to y1 of x comma t plus y2 of x comma t. Okay, so this is known as a superposition of waves. So we can write y of x comma t equals to, so what is y1? A sine kx minus omega t plus a sine kx minus omega t plus pi. Okay, so what are the common? A, amplitude is the common, so a into sine kx minus omega t plus sine kx minus omega t plus pi. Okay, this term y of x comma t equals to, so this equation number 3. So this is like, so for example, so this is b, this is a, capital A, so this is capital B. So like here it is like a plus sine A plus sine B, the form of sine A plus sine B. Okay, equals to, according to trigonometric equations, 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So this is a trigonometric equation. So we can write this equation. So y of x comma t equals to a into, okay, a into 2 sine a plus b by 2. So kx minus omega t plus kx minus omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, again cos kx minus omega t minus kx plus omega t minus pi by 2. Okay, here, so listen, kx minus omega t, kx minus omega t, 2 kx minus 2, so it is also written as a into 2, 2a sine 2 kx minus 2 omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, cos, so here kx gets cancelled, omega t gets cancelled, minus pi by 2. Okay, now it equals to, so divides, 2 is divides individually, so 2a sine kx minus omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, so cos minus angle is cos angle, so cos pi by 2. So this is y of x comma t, equation number 4. So this equation number 4 is like, so a harmonic wave equation. So harmonic wave equation, so with amplitude is amplitude amplitude is a of pi equals to, so it is kx minus omega t plus pi by 2. Pi by 2 is the phase difference or phase angle. So amplitude is 2a cos pi by 2 is the amplitude. Okay, amplitude, maximum displacement of superposition of waves, a of pi equals to 2a cos pi by 2. The phase difference with phase. So what is the phase here? So pi by 2. In equation number 4, so when the waves are in same phase, when waves are pulses, when waves are in same phase, same phase is nothing but pi equals to 0. So when there are same phase, pi equals 0, so then what is the equation? Y of x comma t equals to 2a cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0 by 2, okay, and sin kx minus omega t plus 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1, so then 2a sin kx minus omega t. So this is x comma t, equation number 5. In this equation number 5, the amplitude is 2a. Maximum amplitude is increases. Actually y1 amplitude is a, and second pulse, second wave amplitude also is a. So after overlapping, after superposition of waves, the displacement y of x comma t, so when the waves are in same phase, that is pi equals 0, so amplitude will be increased. Now when waves are opposite phase, when waves are in completely out of phase, out of phase is nothing but, so pi equals to pi radians or 180 degrees. So then we consider here y of x comma t. So pi value is pi equals to pi radians is substitute in equation number 4. So the y of x comma t equals to 2a cos pi by 2 sin kx minus omega t plus pi by 2. Okay, it equals to cos pi by 2 equals to 0. 0 into something is 0. So y of x comma t, equation number 6, y of x comma t equals to 0. That means the displacement, okay, displacement here, the displacement is the resultant displacement has 0. Okay, resultant displacement has 0. Here the resultant displacement in equation number 5, resultant displacement is maximum, so it is with 2a amplitude. So in this equation number 5 and equation number 6. Equation number 5 maximum displacement, equation number 6 it is zero displacement. So then it is called constructive interference. So this type of interference is called the constructive. Constructed means so the amplitude is increased, displacement is increased. Such type of interference is called the constructive interference. So here the resultant displacement is a 0. So here resultant displacement is 0. Such type of interference is discrete. So it is called the destructive interference. Interference. Destructive means it is vanishes, the displacement is 0. So it is called the destructive interference. So here after the superposition of the wave, so here like the wave is like here, you see it is x direction, this is y direction. So after the superposition, so this is y of x comma t. Okay, it is maximum amplitude 2a, so it is minimum amplitude 0. It is again maximum amplitude 2a, so it is minimum amplitude. So here constructive interference, it is destructive interference. So here constructive, destructive, constructive, destructive, like that. So constructive and destructive, here constructive interference, here also constructive interference, destructive interference. So it is about the principle of superposition of waves. Thank you.